Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps on how to change Genshin Impact username. So I'll be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, open up your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. Once you open up your web browser, on the search box, you'll need to type in the link that is genshin.hoyover.com. I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. As you type in the link, you'll be directed to the official site, and this is what the interface is going to look like. And once you're on this page, you can see in the top right corner of the screen, there is an option as login. Just click on it. As soon as you click on it, right in center, you'll have the login interface. So first thing you need to do is provide either your username and email in order to log in into your account. After that, you need to enter the password associated with the Genshin Impact. If you're unable to log in into your account because of your incorrect password or your information you have provided, then what you can do is simply tap on forgot password right at the bottom, and after that you'll have some alternative, and after that you need to provide some details, and then you'll be able to reset your password. Now back to the session, you need to click on login. Once again, you need to solve this puzzle so there is no confusion. You can see right on top you have the answer, so all you need to do is select it accordingly. As you can see that I've verified successfully. Here you go, that I'm logged into my account, and right on top instead of login I have my username. So in order to change your username, you need to click on account. And as soon as you click on account, once again, in order to verify, and you need to provide your email address or your username associated with your Genshin Impact. So once you're done entering all of the information, click on login, which is right at the bottom, and if you provide the correct information, you'll be directed to account info. Now instead of account info, what you need to do is you need to click on account security and settings in the left hand side corner. You'll be redirected to account security settings. You can see right over here I have not created a username. So in order to create or change your username on Genshin Impact, it is similar. So first of all, before you change or create a username, you need to make sure that you've already verified your email. Since I've not verified my email, then I'll not be able to change it. So in order to verify it, you need to click on link in the right hand side corner. Right over here, you can see that the verification code will be sent to this particular email that is associated with your Genshin Impact. Once you click on send, once again, you need to verify it. So you can go through this process. Now the verification code has been sent. So what you need to do is open up your Gmail. And here you can see that I've received a verification code, and now I recommend you not to copy this verification code. Make sure to take a note of this verification code and then head back to the same page where you need to enter the verification code, and then you need to type in the verification code right over here. And now I get to create a new username. Similarly, if you're changing your username, then you'll get to change your username. Now you'll need to create a unique username, and you need to retype in for the confirmation, and then click on link. And here you can see that I've set my username on Genshin Impact. This will be set as my username or the profile name. So that is how you can change your username on Genshin Impact. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.